All right, guys. Sorry, I'm snacking on an Oreo. But if you want to see, wrong, back up. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do this. What do you call it? Like a strawberry lemonade summer look, I guess you could say. I don't really know what to call it, but this shirt gave me the inspiration to use these colors on my eyes today. So it's very chill, laid back. I'm sorry, my personality kind of like sucks on camera. Like I feel like I'm not like as funny or alive like on camera. I don't know how to explain it, but anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And yeah, thanks. All right, guys, we are gonna go ahead and get started. I already have foundation on, my concealer, and I already powdered the areas that I concealed. I went ahead and did my eyebrows. They are super harsh, really ugly today. So please don't judge me. Also, my face is breaking out again. I have a little breakouts up here, but now my cheeks are breaking out, so we're gonna ignore that. This shirt has inspired me to film a pink, yellow, lemonade vibe eyeshadow look. So that's what we're gonna do today. So we're just gonna jump right in. I guess I'm gonna start with priming my eyelids. I'm sorry, I literally can't stand my eyebrows right now, but I've already wasted time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I am priming with the e.l.f. concealer. I am going to use the James Charles palette, of course. So what I'm thinking is I think I'm gonna do pink and then blend it into yellow. Should be easy. It sounds super easy, but I am not the best at makeup, and yeah, we're just gonna go with it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this really bright pink right here in the corner. Okay, I haven't used this pink yet, I don't think. So this is gonna be a challenge figuring out how, like, the best way to use it. We're just gonna straight pack it on first. Maybe I should do a actual like packing brush. There we go, that's better. Sorry if I'm looking that way, I'm looking in my mirror. I'm gonna add some powder under my eye because there might be a tiny bit of fallout. I'm gonna take the yellow, this yellow right here, a clean blending brush. I don't know how well this is gonna work. Like, are you supposed to pack this color too? I'm sure I could make it brighter by, you know, like adding more concealer. But I'm good with how this looks so far. It doesn't have to be like super bright and crazy. Let me do the other eye and then see how I feel about it, because I don't know if I want to add anything else to this. I'm probably not using the best brush, but a lot of my brushes are dirty right now. I'm kind of just working with what I got. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of orange. Okay, so I'm gonna take the orange up here. Should I put like a shimmer over the pink, or? You can't really see it, but it did change it just a little bit. Okay, So there is the eye look. I'm going to dust off the bottom and then we'll do the lower lash line. I think I'm just gonna do, should I do pink, orange, and yellow again, or should I just do, I think I'll do all three again, just for shits and giggles. Putting this super close to my waterline, since I'm gonna be doing like 3 colors. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the orange and blend that underneath. Now we're gonna do the yellow. Okay. I kind of wish the yellow showed up a little bit more. Highlight. So that is that. I'm going to pop on the eyelashes real quick and then I will come back and finish the rest of my face with you guys. Alright guys, so I have the eyelashes on and I have the bottom mascara on. I'm going to finish up with some bronzer. Butter bronzer, of course. Add some blush, Flare Beauty Peach Primrose. Add some Physicians Formula highlight. This is what it looks like. I know I didn't do like my makeup very precise and carefully, but I'm on a time crunch because I feel like Brody's about to wake up anytime soon. So I'm gonna spray real quick and then we'll be done pretty much. So yeah, that's the end of this look. Ow. I think it looks really good. So I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to makeup. I just do what I like on my face. And then if I don't like it, I keep trying or I end up taking it all off. Sorry, my hair is really dirty right now. I need to wash it. But that is my real life, y'all. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like I know how to do makeup, like I know what I'm doing. I could watch a million other professional makeup artists do makeup and it, you know, just never comes out the same. So my videos are not to tell you, oh, you should do it my way, oh, you should do it this way, oh, my way looks better or anything like that. The reason I do these videos is because I enjoy doing makeup. I live with 3 boys and this is probably what keeps me sane sometimes, is shopping for makeup, doing my makeup, and little girly things like I like to do by myself. And I just like, I'm not the most creative person ever, but makeup is fun. And so when I make these videos, I just do what I like, what I personally like on my face for me, and that's it. You don't, you know, like I'm not saying to copy me and do things my way, but if for some reason you take away one of my makeup habits, that's awesome too. I'm not saying you can't do that either. I just want to make it clear that I don't know what I'm doing and it's okay. You know what I mean? I just hope there's other girls out there that enjoy watching me just genuinely because they like watching me, not because they need makeup tips from me or anything like that. But yeah, I'm just kind of running my mouth now. That is the end of Sorry, my hair is so gross. I don't know what to do with it. That is the end of my video, and I hope you guys liked it. It's not the best, obviously, but I like it for me. I think this is really different. This is cute. I love how it matches my shirt, and it's very summery, like a little lemonade look, or what do you call it? Like a strawberry lemonade look. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.